How to buy Opium token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you've under my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rules on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, go and check their community or check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It created 5 months ago and it increased by 249% in the last 24 hours. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your phone to manage for that. And as you can see, click on swap and make sure that you have enough down in your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also gonna click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Opium token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.